5 rupees, and how the monkey was kept a secret from the grandmother until she finally accepted him and as the member of the family, and how the naughty monkey created a scene or created a mess at Saharanpur railway station. Now, when he was accepted by the grandmother, he was kept to stay with the donkey Nana, and how he troubled Nana whole night, and how they became enemy or how they never became friends afterwards. So class, today we are going to continue the chapter, and since then in every winters the monkey used to get a treat. Treat means he was very choosy monkey and notorious monkey, so he was made to bath with warm water. So every winters in cold seasons a large bowl of warm water was given to him by grandfather, and as he was a very cunning monkey, he would first test the temperature of water by putting his hand first, then putting his one leg inside it, and when he would found the container or the water in the container or the bowl comfortable, he would jump in the water and enjoy his bath. Now, after getting into the tumbler or the bowl, he was rub soap all over his body and enjoy the bath with the bath. And after he is done with the bathing, what he would do, he would come out of the vessel or the bowl, and he was directly run to the kitchen, and he would sit just besides the kitchen fire so that he could dry himself up. And during the course he was doing so, if anybody laughed, he would feel a lot of shame or embarrassment, and then he would leave his bathing and just go out of shame. Now once, when a kettle with full water inside it was kept in the fire, the monkey came, Toto came there, and he went inside the pot or the kettle. Now slowly, as it was put on the fire, it started boiling up, and Toto was feeling a bit hot, but he tried to come out. He just hopped out. He did like this, and when he felt that outside the temperature was cold because of the winters, he sat back again. So again and again, when the water was boiling, he tried to come out, but as he felt the temperature outside was cold, he just again sit inside it. So the scene continued for half an hour until when the grandmother saw him doing so, and he took him out in a half-boiled condition, and the Toto was about to die out of warm water, but grandmother saved him and he took him out. And from that moment ahead, he was carefully given the water, and and since from that moment a kettle was never left unwatched or unobserved in the kitchen. Now one day during the lunch time, when the large dish of pulao was kept in the dining table, the monkey sat just beside the table eating having the delicious pulao. When grandmother saw him, he threw a plate on grandmother. When one of the aunt of Ruskin Bond tried to stop him, the monkey took a glass of water and spilled it over her face. And when grandfather came to rescue the pressure cooker or the vessel, the monkey took the vessel and went outside through the window, and he sat on a jackfruit tree enjoying the delicious pulao. That time he was having the fun and he was determined to finish it. Now from that moment, if anybody saw him or if anybody tried to take the vessel back from the monkey, he would clatter down or he would scream, and he would shout or clatter, the sound made by the monkeys. He would clatter and he would refuse to give that bowl. Now when grandmother scolded him to throw the vessel, he took it and threw it down on the floor, and the vessel broke into many pieces. Now obviously Toto was not a kind of monkey that could be kept at home, because the narrator's family was not from a very well-to-do family. Well-to-do here means not very rich. So they were not from a well-to-do family. Secondly, they would not afford the frequent loss of dishes, because he was a naughty monkey and he used to throw all the vessels at anywhere and anyone. So it was finally decided that he would be sent back to the, or he would be given back to the Tonga driver. Now the grandfather found the Tonga driver at last, and they returned it at the price of 3 rupees. The Tonga driver again paid 3 rupees to him, and the monkey was purchased back by the Tonga driver. That's it for the chapter. We are done with the chapter. Now what you have to do, you have to do the textbook questions in your fair notebook. That's it for today. Thank you and have